Okay folks, I'm back. Even though it's a short video, hopefully you like it. I usually watch a lot of blacksmith videos on YouTube, and of the blacksmiths I watch, seems like every one of them is making a katana of some sort. And even though I'm not a blacksmith, I'm going to try my hand, and this is just an experiment to see if on my bandsaw if I can get the hamon lines glued together so I don't have to be so intricate with how I carve this thing in the future. This is just a test piece between some pine and some oak. Obviously the pine is not going to be the blade, or the sharp side, it's going to be the oak, because it's a lot harder, and the pine's going to be the softer back in a traditional samurai katana. But yeah, I've got these glued up now, and we'll see how they look when I pull them back out. So stick around, subscribe, like, share, comment, all that fun stuff. And we'll see you on the next video.